Okay, this is weird. I only put on the original wiring and I have all the fuses in place. There is air coming out. It's alive! It's very rare to have a situation when things are working, but I don't know why. It usually is that nothing is working and I don't know why. But this time it is working, but I still don't know why. But since it is running and working seemingly perfect now, I will be happy with this situation. Okay, so I'm gonna put things back together and try to hook up the compressor to this tank and see if I can get any pressure. Okay, I'll get back to you soon. Time for a final shot now. It is pretty damn quiet for a compressor that size. I still need to find a hose that fits between this connector and the air tank. And a little bit of cleaning. And it's gonna be ready to go. Okay, this is the end of this series. I have now a perfectly running compressor. Thank you for watching and hope you found this any interesting. Thank you and have a nice evening.